Listen, your DJ's riding in the mix. Yes, Mr. Hester, the messenger Marlin. I sing this song for I. Please don't you rock my boat, cause I don't want my boat to be rocking anyhow. Please don't you rock my boat, no, cause I don't want my boat to be rocking. I'm telling you that, I like it to like a this, can you miss? And you should know, when I like it to like a this. Am I really it? Ooh yeah, it's satisfy my soul. Morning time, evening cold, find my soul. Yes, I've been telling you, that you the sweetest cakes. I'm happy inside all the time. Oh, can't you see what you've done for me? Yeah, don't make me feel like when we bend the new corner, we feel like sweet steak winners. Yeah, when we bend the new corners, we feel like sweet steak winners. And I said, I like it to like a this, yes I do. And you should know, when I like it to like a this, I've got it, just can't miss. Satisfy my soul, darling, make me love you in the morning time. Yeah, if ever I treated you bad, make it up to me one time, cause I'm happy inside all the time. I want you beside me, yeah, to be mine, make me love you in the mornings. You might also like and more than Central Sea, a little baby, Fortnite, Taylor Swift, so long, London, Taylor Swift. One thing you got to do is when we holding hands together, you got to know that we love each other. Yeah, and if every time you should walk away from me now, now I need your sympathy. Yeah, yeah, can you see? Do you believe me? Oh, darling, darling, I'm calling, satisfy my soul, satisfy my soul. Never, never, never give it up now. Oh, in the same boat, rocking on the same route. We gotta get together, join each other. And can't you see what I've got for you?